Here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and it gives us access to advanced camera settings. As you can see here we have the timestamp option and ASUS watermark, so these are the watermarks on this device. We can use these buttons to turn it on and turn it off like that. We can turn on the one of this, so separately it works also, and we can turn on the both. So for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the real picture, and let's go back to the camera to take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom to the preview. So this is the picture in the gallery, and as you can see here at the bottom from the left we have the ASUS watermark, and from the right we have the timestamp. So this is how it works here and looks like. Of course, to turn it off on the another picture we have to go back to the settings from the left and tap on these buttons. So for now it should gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.